I'm bringing you another head wrap tutorial for short locks only. Woo woo. I tuck all the hair in the back of my head. Something like this. And then I bring it to the front, finish tucking. Both sides. Tie it in a knot, like this. Boom. And then I start to wrap and I wrap and I wrap and I wrap, and then I make a bow, like this. Again, wrap the other side around, tie, give it some Mickey, Minnie Mouse ears, poof poof, and then you go ahead and you fluff those out, you know, get them fluffy, bring them on out there. Yes, what? Look at that. And then you just slide that up in the top of that there. That's essentially meant to keep your fluff at the top. You want to keep it with the shape, with the roundage. Boom. Finish tucking, hiding, sliding. Shape it how you want it. Do the back. I like to tuck. Get your edge control and your brush. Dip, dab. Swoop. Keep swooping. And that's what you get. You like? I do. Don't forget to subscribe. The link is in the bio. Get the clicking.